So, Egyptian limestone on this job, 20 mil. This has come from Cornstone. It's a lovely slab, Dijon seasoned. Now they are quite dusty on the back. So what we're going to do is just push our wash boy across, and we just want to take that dust off. If we don't do that, then when I apply my primer, all it's going to do is stick to the dust. And then you'll find that your slabs will pop really easily because the primer's only stuck to the dust. So, apply it all the way, edge to edge. Really, really important when you're using natural stone, which tends to be porous. Really important that you're going all the way to the edge. You don't want any water creeping in between your primer and your bed. So don't leave the corners, don't leave the edges. Get it all on there. A few different ways that you can apply it. Certainly we've done it before, we've talked about it before, but I quite like these little spreaders. They're about 4 or 5 quid each. Right, they do rub down over time, but not a problem. So we screened our bed out, got me grabo, slabs fully primed. Nice wide stance. Drop it into where I want to be. Get it somewhere close to my line, ready for a few taps now. Get our old trusty mallet. Just ping our line there, make sure that we're free and that we're clear. So I'm working to my line. I'm also working to that edge. So you can see I've got probably about 8 mil for tapping down, which for me is pretty good because I don't want to be here for ages, constantly banging the slab down. So I'm just going to use my fingers first of all, just to see if we're taking out the lips, and then quickly across with the level. And what I'm looking for, if we can zoom in, cameraman, I'm looking for the gap underneath my level. Okay, there's no movement there. So I'm happy with that. That's a good job. I'll check the other side to make sure that we haven't got any dips or anything anywhere. And again, just checking under that level for those gaps. Slight little one there that I don't like. So we'll just take in a little bit. And there we go. Happy days. Slab laid. Take the skill out of it. Cheers. John, Paved and Stone. Don't forget, like and subscribe.